Drake here, and you can see in this motion, showing you at Irvington. Here at Irvington Station, I want to do like a report on the rain that happened yesterday on Saturday, May 23rd. The rain was just like crazy. I was on my way back from Kennedy Fried Chicken in the Bronx, and it was pouring. The Bronx River flooded. There was like, the Bronx River Parkway was like a river on the edges. So anyway, I'm at Irvington, and it was just raining. It was pouring. Wonder what it was like on Long Island. The pretty little Babylon branch probably got the worst of it. Anyway, the rain. That's basically all I want to talk about today. Trying to think of something else to talk about. So, just like pouring like cats and dogs crazy. Bye.